Hi, I'm Summer Holt. I am the editor of TPG Family, and let's get to the point. Credit cards are not all about the points and miles. I know, it's shocking. But sometimes they can do other amazing things for you, get you into unique events, or maybe even save money or put extra points into your account. One of the ways this could happen is via a thing called Amex Offers. You may or may not have heard of Amex Offers, but they're available on American Express cards, not only the personal Amex cards, but also small business and even some of the cards with no annual fee. So what are Amex Offers? Well, they're offers on your American Express cards at retailers you're probably shopping at already. And if you load these offers to your card and then use them to make a purchase, then what will happen is you'll either earn a statement credit or bonus points. So let's go through some examples. In the past, I've seen an Amex offer for spend $200 at a Hyatt Place or a Hyatt House, get a $60 statement credit. So you spend $200 at those hotels, your out-of-pocket's actually just $140. Some are smaller. I've seen get a $5 statement credit when you spend $20 at Five Guys. And some are huge. There's a recent one that if you spend $1,000 on Air Canada, you get 20,000 membership reward points, which by TPG valuations is worth almost $400. So as you can see, they're kind of all over the map, which means that there's probably one out there that will align with somewhere that you're gonna spend money. Now, why would Amex do this? Why do they wanna give you extra money or bonus points? Well, they're doing it most likely to train you to keep using that card. But as a TPG reader, you probably know how to strategically choose which card to use for which purchase, and Amex offers are just a component of making that decision. The unfortunate side of Amex offers is you have to manually load each one, which means you need to log into your Amex account and check to see what's available. Once you log in, check the Amex card that you want to load an offer to, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and take a look. If you see any offers there that you might even potentially make use of, add them to your card. It's no commitment to load it to your card, so if you think there's even a small chance you may make use of that offer, load it, because it can disappear on you if too many people register for it and it has limited availability. Once the Amex offer is loaded to your card, just use the card like normal to make your purchase at the restaurant or online to book travel or however it is you're going to spend your money, and it will automatically give you your statement credit or your bonus points. Usually as soon as you use the card for an eligible transaction, you'll get an email verifying that you did trigger the Amex offer. Don't worry if you don't want to log into your Amex account every day or every week looking for these Amex offers. Stay tuned to the Points Guide because we do our very best to highlight all of the really good Amex offers as they come along. This can be a really major way that you step up your savings and your points earnings with the purchases that you already have. But if you do have any questions, put them below and we'll get you some answers. Be sure and subscribe so you can get more videos like this one every Wednesday.